Hi, energy and power. Our calculation of energy ignore totally the time, the speed, the acceleration, the changing of direction. So it does not express the power. If the force return to its place, the energy, the work is zero and any closed loop. The power also disappears if it continuous rotating the work equals zero. So the principle of power conservation of Lavoisier working only on the linear movement or after derivate the time. The rotating power do not work without a fraction of the stability. As it explained in the figure. So, the moment equal force multiply by place. It's mean a Newton meter. That's mean joule. Equal joule, nearly equal joule. When force transition in linear place, that's mean the energy equal force multiply by the distance, the place. Power equal force multiply by place on time, force multiply by speed. This is the power and the energy of the linear movement of the force. We ignore the speed and the way when we calculate the energy. But if we have an arm and force, that's mean the moment equal force multiplied by place. That's mean Newton meter. It is like the energy. Power equal force multiplied by place on time. Power equal force multiplied by linear speed. Linear speed is the arm multiplied by delta theta on time, W. Power force multiplied by arm multiplied by delta theta on time. Energy equal power multiplied by time. That's mean we have energy of the moment equal force multiplied by arm multiplied by theta. Theta is an important unit. Till now, we don't use it as unit, but it is a unit. So in linear speed and linear movement of force, distance multiplied by force equals the energy. The power force multiplied by speed as we speak. In moment, the movement turn. Arm multiplied by force equals the moment. It is joules also. Without movement. Before movement, before movement, we start from Newton meter. If it move, the arm multiplied by force multiplied by speed equal moment joules. It is meter. It is joule multiplied by meter divided on second. So it is watt meter. Watt meter. That is the power of the momentum is watt meter. That need a new conception. I call it samad. Samad. It is new energy of the of the movement with arm. Movement, the force move with arm. So in this way, in this way, we perpendicular force work as a moment with the rotation. The torque has tangent speed delta place on time, adding it to the energy. Joules multiplied by place on time, its power equal watt multiplied by place by meter. It is summand. But because we deprive the time, the angular speed became only angle radian, but radian is not unit as we supposed till now. But but it is unit because the changing the direction is a centripetal speed absorbed by the rigidity of the arm and the reaction of the axis. So if we use the multiplying of the vectors here, there is a two vectors perpendicular, one tangent and one centripetal. Hmm? So what the result is the value of v1 and the value of v2 multiplied by cosine theta. It is area now. It is area between two. So we will compare between the rigidity of the arm and the elastic of the arm. So this area, when it continue continue rotating, make a quantum, whole quantum. Repeat it, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have the conception of the quantum. The quantum is multiplying between two speeds of the force. Two speeds of the force. Total limited quantity of energy, renewable every time, unlimited essential conservative power, summit. So this summit is the resource of the power. This summit is the resource of power, which is composed the emptiness, composed the essential united time place. We will use it to have energy from our stability. To continue.